Hello students, we were on chapter 11, the Valley of Flowers. Let's get started. On page number 86, we have the world of flowers. Here are some pictures of flowers. Mark a tick on the flowers which you recognized. Write their names too if you know. So, here you have been given the number of flowers and you have to write the name of the flowers. And you have to also tick the flowers that you have seen. Okay. So the first one is hibiscus. You can tick on this. Rose, sunflower, marigold, champa, jasmine, tulsi, रात की रानी, night queen also we call it, dahlia. And now you can tick on the flowers you have seen. You must have seen all the flowers. Moving next, we have on the same page number, from the pictures given above and other flowers that you know, give names of two which that grow on trees. So you have to name the flowers that grow on trees, that are gulmohar and kadam. The flowers that grow on bushes, they are rose and hibiscus. Next is on page number 87, flowers that grow on creepers, that are champa and snow white. Flowers that grow on water plants are lotus and water lily. Flowers that bloom only at night, that are jasmine and night queen. Flowers that bloom in the day and close at night, they are sunflower and lotus. Moving next, we have, which flowers can you recognize by their scent even with your eyes closed? So the answer is rose and jasmine. You can recognize these flowers by their scent also. Which flowers bloom all the year round? The answer is rose and kumudni. Next, which flowers bloom only in certain months? Answer is marigold and tulip. Next is, are there any trees or plants which never have any flowers? Find out and write. So the answer is yes. There is a plant which never had any flower, and that is money plant. You must have seen in your house. Moving next, what we have is, why this? So first question is, have you ever seen a board like this put up anywhere? So have you seen? Yes, we have seen. Where we have seen this board? Near garden or near the places where there are flowers. Next question, do people pluck flowers even when this board is there? Yes, people pluck flowers even when this board is there. Next, why do you think they do this? So the answer is they do not obey the rules. That's why they do this. Next question, should they do this? No, they should not do this. Next question is, what would happen if everybody plucked flowers? What will happen if everybody start plucking flowers? There will be no flowers. Moving next, we have blooming birds. You must have seen birds on the plants. If there are any flower bearing plants growing near your school or home, look carefully at the birds. What difference do you find between a flower and a bird? So the difference is, answer is, bird is small and pointed and the flower is larger and spread, as you can see in the picture. Now next, Draw the picture of a bird and its flower in your notebook. So students, you have to draw the picture of a bird and its flowers in your notebook. That's all for this video. Bye bye students. Have a nice day.